Let's take a look at number 45 on a calculator first, and we'll do it by hand. Now, on a calculator, anytime we got a linear system of equations, we're just going to use RAF. It's so much easier. So let's see what we got. 2x plus 5y is equal to 10. And 3x minus 3y is equal to 7. Okay, for RREF to work right, you have to have all of your variables on one side, numbers on the other side. Then you drop your variables in equals and keep the numbers. So we got 2, 5, 10, 3, negative 3, 7. And let's go input this into the calculator. So I'll do second x to negative 1, go to the matrix menu, left arrow over to edit, and do enter on A, and it's a 2 by 3, rows by columns. Then we got 2 inner, 5 inner, 10 inner, 3 inner, negative 3 inner, 7 inner. Now to exit out. Now we'll go through our REF process. So I'll do second x to negative 1, right arrow to math, up arrow to RREF. Now after we have that, make sure you choose one of two R's, do enter on it, and go back into our matrix menu, do enter on A, enter again. Now if you got two equations, two variables, you look at your first 2 by 2, and it should be a diagonal 1, zeros everywhere else, and it is. We got decimals, but that's easy. We'll change those to fraction by doing math, enter, enter. And our answer is 65/21 and 16 over 21. So I'm going to type one of my numbers in wrong. So those numbers seem bizarre. But sure enough, we have them as D as in David. So let's go check that. 45D. And that checks. Okay, now let's use Cramer's rule to solve this. So let me see, what do we have? 2x plus 5y is equal to 10. 3x minus 3y is equal to 7. Now we're going to have three determinants we're going to find. D sub x, and D sub y. Now D is just going to be the coefficient matrix, the numbers off of our variables. So I'll have 2, 5, 3, and negative 3. Now this is our x column, and this is our y column. For D sub x, it's going to be the determinant. We're going to replace the x column with the numbers on the right side. So this will be 10, 7, and that's still 5, negative 3. Now for our D sub y, we're going to replace our y column with the numbers on the right side. And this will still be 2 and 3. So we got 10, 7 there. So let's find these. Cross multiply, 2 times negative 3 minus, and then 3 times 5. That gives us negative 6 and negative 15, negative 21. Here, across multiply, 10 times negative 3 minus 7 times 5. That gives us negative 30 and negative 35, negative 65. This one, cross multiply, 2 times 7 minus 3 times 10. So that gives us 14 minus 30, negative 16. 14 minus 30. Yeah. Okay, so our answer, x is going to be dx over d, and y will be dy over d. Well, dx we said was negative 65, d was negative 21. Negatives cancel, and we got 65 over 21. dy was negative 16, and d again was negative 21, which gives us 16 over 21. So our answer, the x part first, 65 over 21, and then 16 over 21. D is in David. Is that what we had before? Let's see. Like, yeah, like you're going to answer me. So that's our answer using Kramer's rule.